Alright, here we are, back with Ratchet and Clank Deadlocked. Alright, I don't remember what I was doing in this last time either. Oh, you know what? This is all arena-based, so there was arena stuff I had to do. Did I jump into the wrong Ratchet and Clank game? I did. I jumped into Up Your Arsenal by accident. I guess I was so used to it, I didn't even think about it. But say it took me to Annihilation Nation. I'm like, what? That doesn't seem right. Oh well, I'll be alright. So, he is Tarkoving, eh? Alright. I sent my message to go bother him.
What's up, Andy?
Alright. Back into Ratchet Deadlocked. All arena based, there was a lot of stuff that I had to start doing. I remember. Oh, yeah. We'll just do it on this. I didn't realize you could change the difficulty every time you jumped into the game. That's kind of different. Aaron would know the most about this one. It's not a game that I play or remember playing much of. Alright, yeah, there were challenges that we had to do. Hoverbike Madness. Race through the ancient battlefield and hold on for your life. Collect all the checkpoints to extend the time and win. Alright, I suck at racing, but here we go anyways. It's probably my least favorite thing about all the older games, is just that there is a lot of, like, racing to them. Like, Jak and Daxter was one of my favorite games. Oh, R1 jump, strafe to left to right. Yeah, that's, oh, finicky. Oh my Jesus. Wait, do I have to hit those? I think I have to hit them all. Oh my god, this is terrible. This is terrible. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever had to play a racing game with handling this bad. Ooh, Jesus. I know it was a PS2 game, but I was never good at racing games. Oh, this is so sensitive. Oh, Jesus. I just gotta keep going. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. I'd almost feel like I'd be better driving sideways. Oh, that was terrible. 3 skill points. I did get a couple kills, but man. Alright, so we got that, and we got it on 2-star difficulty. So I can go through and just do all the same stuff again on the harder difficulty.
Take out as many enemies as you can.
Is that all it is? Just take out all the enemies? I probably should have read it. Like I said, this is the Ratchet and Clank game I don't remember very well, so this is all entertaining to say the least. But say, wasn't there a way to charge that up? Yeah, there we go. Was it L1? Yeah. There we go. Now that I remember how to play the damn game. What are these for? I don't know what that is. I'll have to go look at that at another time. Challenge complete. Wow, super easy. Yeah, hop in the Landstalker and destroy as many Dread Zone enemies and structures as you can before time runs out. Your mission is to destroy the ancient statues scattered across the battlefield. Each one is protected by robot corpses, so watch out. That doesn't sound suspicious at all.
Zone favorite. Our contestant will have to destroy 3 ancient statues all in a matter of minutes. You gotta love it.
Will I have to load it? Ah.
Command your bots to place their explosives on each tower. When all...
Oh, do I have to do all 4? He didn't really get to say. No, it's just 2. Okay, I was about to say I have to get all 4. Alright, well. The next tower is this one right here. I'm sinking. I think.
My trigger finger's getting itchy.
Max out my ammo, please. Oh, I can go ahead and buy new weapons and napalm. No wonder I know certain people that like this game. There we go. There we go. I wish I could move faster. I wish I had Clank. I mean, it's not like I have to stick around for these. If I just do that, they'll just run over there, right? Yeah, look at that. I just need to get to the 3rd tower, which is appearing to be within this cave. I mean, I wasn't... Oh, out of ammo. I mean, at least they keep all the ammo relatively close. Yep. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Oh, level 3. Received speed mod.
Here is some good news. Each time your weapon upgrades, it unlocks a new alpha modification slot for you to use.
Really? That is good news. Challenge complete. Just under 2 minutes. 4 skill points. Are the skill points based in how many are in this, like, world?
Your status on Dread Zone now allows you to access planet Serathos.
Look at that. No, hold on. Skills. Ah. So it tells you what the skills are for that world. That's neat. Face the challenge of the Leviathan in the alien land of Serathos. Hmm.
I attack you with a spider tank, power level 5. I defend with level 6 non-ninjas.
That's right, kids. Exterminator trading cards are here. There's Reactor, Shellshock, the Eviscerator, and your favorite exterminator, Ace Hardlight. Collect them all and exterminate your friends today.
Yeah, that sounds like just what you want to do. Let's exterminate our friends.
Welcome back, Dread Zone fans. Have we got a show for you? On today's episode, Team Darkstar has been dropped onto the hellish alien world of Serapos. Their ultimate goal, destroy a monstrous alien creature known as the King Leviathan. And take it from me, people, monstrous is putting it nicely.
You have to kill a lot of Leviathans in this game.
Ratchet, there is a combat arena up ahead. That is your first objective. Be careful. The outside is heavily guarded.
Bad feeling about this.
Let's just keep the Vipers on. Level them up one at a time. Except for I forgot, old school didn't make it easy for you. You have to go and buy ammo every time. Metal Scorpions. Maybe I do go play the original Jak and Daxter games. If I do, I know I played and I beat those to a platinum way long ago. And so I probably won't be doing that again. That's level 2. Oof. Definitely isn't making life any easier.
Well, they got the door open. Now, let's find out what's waiting for them on the other side.
Do we have to? Because I'm like half dead. And there's a ton of these little guys swarming me. I don't know, this looks like I should step on it.
Oh, goody, the swamp is up next. Oh,
Challenge
I
complete,
love this
yay!
part.
Next. Serathos Sprint. Locate the Puma. Not like the shoes, I don't think. I'm not even real. Oh, is the Puma the vehicle down there? I feel like they could have just said that.
Wow, that was a close one. One false move and those alien suckers will be eating your head for lunch.
My mother used to serve Lomax rice for breakfast with eggs and salsa. Muy bueno.
Yikes. Remind me never to eat at your house.
That's just kind of rude. Well, I died. That's fine. Go ahead and max out my ammo. Hey, I don't want to go back in. I'm just trying to switch weapons. Yeah, I think the heat is really wearing me down. I'm still exhausted. Wow, that one took me out easy. I am falling asleep, actually. Thank you for asking. I was thinking I was gonna stream this for a couple of hours, but why does that hurt so bad? What is killing me that badly? Like I thought it was that thing, and it might be that thing. I didn't think that it, you know, had to be, but like that might just be what it is that's really taking me out. The magma cannon is always nice still. Alright. Yeah, the shotgun, the magma cannon, I mean, it's doing everything and then some. The Twin Viper is being such a pain to actually get. Oop, nope, where are you going?
A double swing shot. I cannot bear to look.
Alright, what we're not gonna do. I was about to say, I definitely hit the EMP button. There we go. Kind of was hoping there would be more going on with that. You guys aren't done with that thing yet?
Let's get out of this swamp before it starts rusting up.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Only took a couple minutes after I stopped dying.
In order to advance to the Leviathan lair, Team Darkstar must capture 3 control nodes.
Alright, yep, turn left, turn right, fire guns, fire turret. Ah, but say, what's the difference between fire guns and fire turret? Oh, this is one of these controlling schemes. Well, this is the one where you drive with the right analog, because you push forward to go forward on the left analog, but pushing left and right doesn't make you go forward. So you push the left analog stick up and control the turning radius with the right analog. Oh. Hello? Huh. You know what? I will take this as a sign that the game is just not happy. There's not even that much going on, but I know it's, yep, there it is. Game might have stopped working. Do you want to close it? Yeah, I'm going to take that as a cue to go ahead and yeah, so I'm going to call it here. If I'm tired and the game's tired, we're just going to call it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget, if you're on YouTube, to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And that I do stream these live, and I try to do it during the weekdays and on the weekends, so you may catch me sooner than you expect. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.